Hey there, Gary with Concealed Carry Academy, and welcome to episode 2 of our Odd Gun Facts series. Did you know that bullets themselves aren't the only thing causing damage? When a bullet hits a target, it's not just about penetration. It's also about energy transfer and the shockwave that follows. High-velocity bullets, for example, create a much larger shockwave, which can damage tissue far beyond the point of impact. This is why two bullets of the same size can have very different effects, depending on their speed. It's fascinating to see how physics plays such a critical role in firearms. Mind helping us out? Like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting gun facts.